Applying the template, compiling the dashboard. In this lesson, we will compile our Tableau dashboard. Truth be told, this is where we can get creative, especially as this is a single worksheet. So we might want to grab images and whatnot and just have some fun with this. To be honest, this is not the longest lesson. The key is to choose the dimensions that work, to bring things on, and let's have some fun. Let's take this home. So first things first, let's create a dashboard. Let's call this Euro 20. Oh, no. Champions League 2021. Knockout. Let's choose our screen dimension. Typically when I'm doing these posters, and this is what I consider this, a nice poster visualization, I would like to typically make it PowerPoint size. As you can see, it's way beyond my screen size. We can float our data visualization. Let's expand it. Because it's a PowerPoint size, it's quite large. So now we can bring our data visualization here. The key behind this is that you can now download some background images from Pixel. I will have the link below for where you can get free royalty-free images. Again, these are the final touches. One thing I want to do is make the badge a little bit bigger. So I am going to remove the type from the sizes so it's not connected. And now you can see the size are not connected between, so I could get the badge to be a little bit bigger. Again, these are final touches. This actually looks pretty nice because now it goes beyond. I want to change the color now. So items, let's change it to a darker color, shall we? If we're going to do that, let's change the label to a light color. Let's change it to white. And now let's have a look. As you can see, we could play with this as much as we want to. We can adjust the font sizes so they all fits. We can add images, but that's about it. Once you have it here, you can adjust for size. The key thing here that I want you to take away is that one, when you have a centerpiece such as this, it's like this is the main course. You do need your additional elements all around, and that's what you could download in terms of images, and this way you could explore your design. The other thing is that the difference between a worksheet, you could see the text might not fit properly, the icons might be too big. However, it looks slightly different on a dashboard, so this is where you can really adjust and tweak until your heart's content. And that's pretty much about it. The other main thing I want you to do is be careful of phone layouts, because as you can imagine, this does not work on a phone. So I will delete this layout, and then yes, add any disclaimer, data, credits, images, attributions, publish onto Tableau Public, and have fun. Last but not least, make sure you hide your sheet.